Welcome to the channel where we discuss tips, strategies, and product listing ideas for dropshipping on Facebook Marketplace and Facebook Shops. My name is Nathan Isaac, and in this video, we'll dive into the top 5 electronics categories you can use to find the best-selling items for dropshipping on Facebook Marketplace and Facebook Shops. But before we get started, make sure to leave us a comment below and let us know which dropshipping items you've had success with. All right, let's get into the list. The first category on our list is car accessories. Stereo and video accessories are best sellers in this category, but you should also consider listing security products such as dash cameras, lighting, trackers, and alarms for maximum profit margins. Number 2, cell phone accessories. Most people will tell you that their mobile device is their most popular possession, making this a perfect opportunity for you to cash in on the limitless amount of accessories available, such as receivers, adapters, chargers, headphones, and more. Category number 3 is home entertainment. While the more obvious items like TVs and video game consoles may be a bit more competitive with lower profit margins, we've found that simply focusing on the accessories in this category, such as signal boosters, projectors, and portable speakers, are not only high ticket but also highly profitable. In future videos, we'll be diving into this and other categories even more to reveal several items that have made us thousands of dollars in profit dropshipping on Facebook Marketplace and Facebook Shops. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that. Number 4, printers, scanners, and fax machines. Maybe not the most exciting category on our list, but office electronics such as printers, scanners, and yes, even fax machines are often overlooked as a high-ticket, high-profit category, and demand for these products is actually growing as more people work from home. The 5th category to consider is home automation. Convenience and security make this an irresistible category for your customers. Smart lights, smart locks, smart plugs, thermostats, security systems, doorbell cameras, and much more to get you started making profit in this super popular category. I hope these categories have helped to inspire some ideas about what to list for sale in your dropshipping business. But if you'd like to skip all of the guesswork of choosing which items to list and instead have the power to pinpoint only the best-selling, most profitable items inside any category with one click, I'd like to invite you to check out the powerful product research tool on FBMFOX, which you can try out absolutely free by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out these other videos on Facebook Marketplace Dropshipping.